We are doing this question related to the topic of coordinate geometry. The question is, if the point P minus 1 minus 2 is the image of the point QXY due to the line y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 and R is lying on the line with the x coordinate as 5, then find part 1 coordinates of R and Q and find the area of the triangle PQR. This is the question which is taken from the book P1, Teach Yourself. Since this is the line y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, and there is a point P minus 1 and minus 2 there, which is going to lie on this line. And Q is the reflection of this point P. So that means they are going to make an angle of 90 degree at this point. Let's say this point is known as to be called the point M there. Since it is perpendicular bisector, so that is why this line is equal to this line. And the point Q is going to lie on this line. So let's say the Q R coordinate are equal to, with x coordinate equal to 5. So we can write this thing as, if x is 5, then the y coordinate is minus 2 into 5 plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. So R coordinate we have calculated there. Now we have to find out the coordinates of Q, which is the image of this point P. We know that the slope of this line y equal to minus 2x plus 3, slope is equal to minus 2. So the slope of this line will be equal to m, and that thing is equal to 1 over 2. Now, the line, this PQ, is going to pass from this M with the coordinate of P there minus 1 and minus 2. So you will just find out first the equation of the line PQ, which is equal to y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y1 is minus 2, it will become plus 2. Slope is equal to half into x plus x1. This thing is equal to 2y plus 4 is equal to x plus 1, or 2y is equal to x minus 3. This is the equation of the line PQ there. But PQ and this line L are going to meet at this point M. So you have to first find out the coordinates of M there. Since the line equation is, one equation is y equal to minus 2x plus 3, and the other equation is equal to 2y is equal to x minus 3. So you multiply this equation number 1 by 2. So this will become 2y is equal to minus 4x plus 6. And equation 2 is there. 2y is equal to x minus 3. You subtract this equation from that. So this is 0 there. Minus 4x minus x is minus 5x. Plus 6 and plus 3 is plus 9. So x is equal to 9 over 5. And the y coordinate will be equal to, we can put in any one of this equation, 1 or 2 there. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, or y is equal to minus 2. X is 9 over 5 plus 3, that is minus 18 over 5 plus 3, that thing is equal to minus 18 plus 15 over 5, or that thing is equal to minus 3 over 5. So the coordinates of M are basically equal to x is 9 over 5 and y coordinate is minus 3 over 5. But still we are needing the coordinates of this q there. Since q is the midpoint of, sorry, M is the midpoint of the line PQ, so we can write this thing as this is P point, which is minus 1 and minus 2. This is M coordinate, we got it as 9 over 5 and minus 3 over 5. And this point Q there is X and Y there. So we know that minus 1 plus X over 2 and minus 2 plus Y over 2 should be equal to 9 over 5 and minus 3 over 5. So minus 1 plus x over 2, x coordinate is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. So minus 1 plus x over 2 is equal to 9 over 5. So minus 5 plus 5x is equal to 18, or 5x is equal to 23, or x coordinate is equal to 23 by 5. Same is the y coordinate there, minus 2 plus y over 2 is equal to minus 3 over 5. So minus 10 plus 5y is equal to minus 6, or 5y is equal to 4, or y is equal to 4 over 5. So the coordinates of q there are 23 over 5 and 4 over 5. Now they are asking, find the area of this triangle PQR. Join this P with R and this Q with R. We know that this is 90, then this is also 90. So the area of this figure will be for this triangle PQR is equal to half into PQ into MR, because this is the height and this one is the base of that. So you have to calculate this total area there, half as it is into PQ. So P coordinate is equal to minus 1 and minus 2, and Q coordinate is equal to 23 by 5 and 4 over 5. So this will be equal to 4 over 5 plus 1 whole square plus 23 over 5 plus 2 whole square, and that value is equal to this is the PQ length we have calculated here, which is equal to 6.26, and we have got the value of MR. This is M, this is R, and their coordinate is supposed to be equal to calculated distance is 7.15. So the total distance between these two is 6.26 into 7.15 divided by 2. So 22.38 square unit is the area of this triangle PQR. So this is from this topic of coordinate geometry, where we are going to find out the coordinates of Q and then the coordinates of R and then the area of this triangle PQR.